Hi, see, I have made a superhero. He has a red flashy suit. He has yellow bands on his suit. He also has a shining yellow cape with a stripe of red in it. And you can see obviously he is very trendy. He has spiky blue hair. Now you might be wondering what is his name, and it is Invisible Bolt. Bolt because he can do his task at the speed of light, and he has many superpowers. There are 4 of them. Let me tell you and explain about each of them. First, invisibility. This is a very cool superpower. He can use this superpower to help someone while not getting identified and to try and defeat enemies while he is fighting with them. Second, flight. In this one, he can fly in the sky, fly like a jet. I think personally it is very cool to fly without giving any money to any nation you like. Third, lightning punch. He can deliver a very powerful and speedy punch, and while doing this, his hand is engulfed in electricity so it will hurt even more. Fourth, lightning beam. In this, he shoots a highly concentrated beam of lightning at his opponents, and it is very powerful. And the cool thing about it is that it can go for an infinitely long distance until he wants it to stop. Thank you.